Hello and welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Bhagwala Borsat. Myself Ketan Rathod. Today we will learn subject Max, standard 5th, revision of chapter number 3, how many squares. In today's revision we will do 3 questions. In question number 1 we will find perimeter, in question number 2 we will find area, and in question number 3 we will do blank. So before we start question number 1, let's see what is perimeter and area of square and rectangle. First of all we will see what is perimeter and what is the formula of perimeter. So let's begin with perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means total length of a boundaries is called perimeter. Total length of a boundaries of a given figure is called perimeter. Perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle. This is square and this is rectangle. Now what is perimeter of square? So we know that square have 4 sides, side and side, and rectangle have 2 length and 2 breadth. So length, breadth and breadth. Now in this we have to find the boundaries. Addition of boundaries we will do, then we will get the perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle. So let us find for perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equals to, how many sides are there? 1 2 3 4. So we have to add boundaries. So side plus side plus side plus side. How many times we have add s? 4 times. So we can write 4 multiplied by s. So this is the formula for finding perimeter of squares. This is the formula for finding perimeter of square. Now we will move on perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle is equals to, here also you can say length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, means we have to add the boundaries. So length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So 2L and 2B. So 2L plus 2B. 2 time L come and 2 time B come, that's why we write 2L plus 2B. So 2 we will take common outside of a bracket. Here multiplication sign will come. L plus B. So this is the formula for finding perimeter of rectangle. Now we will move on next topic. Now we will learn about area. What is area? The total surface occupied by a closed plane figure is called area. Now let us learn about how to find area of square and rectangle. This is square and this is rectangle. Okay, what is length of this is side and side, length and breadth. Now area we find in unit squares. Area we find in unit squares. So what is the formula for finding area of square and rectangle? So first of all we will find for square. So area of square is equals to side multiplied by side. Side multiplied by side is equals to s into s. This is the formula for finding area of a square. Now we will move for rectangle. So area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. Length multiplied by breadth. That is nothing but L into B. This is the formula for finding area of rectangle. Now we will solve revision question one by one. Let's begin revision. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the following figure. Once again, find the perimeter of following figure. A number, this is a square, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So sides are given for 4 centimeter. Now, what is the formula for finding perimeter of square? We know. What is it? Perimeter of square is equals to 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by side. So, what is side given? This is side. These all are sides. Okay. So, side is equals to how many? 4 centimeter. So, we will write S is equals to 4 centimeter and these 4 as it is. So, 4 into 4 how much? 4 4s are 16. So, answer is 16 centimeter. So, answer is 16 centimeter. Now, we will do next sum, B number. Now, we will find perimeter of rectangle. Suppose L is equals to 7 centimeter and B is equals to 4 centimeter. L is equals to 7 and B equals to 4 centimeter. So, let us find its perimeter. So, perimeter of rectangle is equals to, what was the formula for finding perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply by into bracket L plus B. Now, we will place their value. 2 multiply by, what is the value of L? L is equals to 7 centimeter plus B is equals to how much? 4 centimeter. So, 7 plus 4 how much? 11. So, 11 centimeter multiply by these 2. So, 2 11s are how much? 22. So, answer is 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. Hope you understand perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle, how to find answers. Now, we will move to next question. Now, question number 2 is find the area of following figure. Find the area of following figure. Here, I have written 2 questions already. We will solve one by one. So, area of square. What is the formula for finding area of square? Yes, side multiply by side. So, side into side means S into S. Side is equals to how much? 7 centimeter. So, 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter. So, 7 into 7 how much? 7 7s are 49. But when we write in unit, we write unit square centimeter. Why we write square here? We write square because area is measured in square units. Next question, question number B. So, let us find for rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to, what is the area of rectangle? We know the formula, length multiplied by breadth. So L into B. What is L? 5 centimeter and B is equal to 3 centimeter. So 5 multiplied by 3, how much? 5 3s are 15 square centimeter. So we get the area of rectangle as 15 square centimeter. Okay, question number 3. Fill in the blank from the following figure. Here you can see the figure. From this figure we will solve the following blanks one by one. So let's read first number. Blank is the biggest stamp. Now you can see in this picture which stamp is biggest. Stamp A, stamp B, stamp C, stamp D, stamp E or stamp F. From that, stamp A is the biggest stamp. Stamp A is the biggest stamp. Second number, blank is the smallest stamp. Now you can see in the picture which stamp is the smallest stamp. So stamp E is the smallest stamp. E is the smallest stamp. The area of biggest stamp is blank square centimeter. Look at the picture. Now count number of square. How many squares are there? So if you count, you will get 18. So answer is 18 square centimeter. Next is the area of stamp B is blank square centimeter. Now again look the picture. Look at the picture. How many squares are there in stamp B? Count it. That there are 8 squares. So answer is 8 square centimeter. Last blank, E number. Blank and blank are having same area. Now in the picture find out which are the two stamps having same area. If you look carefully, you will get the answer. So stamp D and stamp F. Stamp D and stamp F. Stamp D and stamp F are having same area. Hope you understand all the questions one by one which I have explained. Thank you.